You like it, don't you?
Hell no.
You chewing it like you.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, it's KK.
What's going on, y'all? This is Marcus.
And we received another order from Snackcrate, and today we got
the Netherlands. Y'all see that? Y'all see that?
Alright. So we about to try these snacks and see how they are from the Netherlands. I don't know what to expect. I've never looked up any Netherlands anything, so I don't know how this is gonna taste, but how do you think it's gonna be?
Some of this looks kind of basic, but some of this look like I'm gonna die. Let me tell you this last one, y'all. I'm not gonna make the last one. I'm not gonna make it.
We'll see. Again, he's being negative. Let's be positive. But okay, what are we gonna start with?
We're gonna start basic. Look.
Ladies, what's it say though? Can you read it?
I can't read that.
Try. He's the best at pronunciation, so we're gonna let him do these.
I'm the best at pronouncing English words. These are not English.
Give it a try.
Tahi Japi.
All right, that sounds right to me. Yeah. Crack it open. Straight vinegar. Why you always get me tasting it first?
Ladies first. Don't put the chip in the mouth.
That's not bad. That hit. I like that. It's like sweet but sour but salty.
Tastes like some chips with some mustard on them.
I'm about that.
Some honey mustard.
Yeah. That's it. Okay.
All right.
These are a win.
All right.
I'm gonna put this on my side. Next.
It's not gonna stay there. Next we have Stroop waffles. I've actually seen these in the store before, so some of y'all might know about these.
I never seen it. It looks good though. Y'all know I've been on this diet, so this is heaven right now. Oh shoot! A lot of caramel.
How do you know that's caramel? Is that caramel?
I'm assuming it's caramel, but
It is. And
I know my caramel.
cinnamon.
I am caramel.
And bourbon vanilla. About to get lit.
All right, let's go. Boy, I'm going to the Netherlands. That's you. I'll go. Corona and all, let's go. I'm playing, don't. I'm playing. I'm kidding.
She going by herself.
I kind of want to finish this. Can I finish? No? All right. Just lay it down for a second. Next.
So next we have, you try this one.
I don't know.
Keep going. Keep going.
No. Y'all
Finish
said
the word. How you going?
Zormahitas. I don't know.
Oh, Jesus. She didn't. Mojitas. The T is before the J.
He asked me. I said it.
She's not doing it anymore.
I'm going this
Oh,
one.
this look
Okay,
like.
let me get this out my mouth.
I think he's gonna hit. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay. It's like those silly straws.
And apparently, they're vegetables.
It's veggies.
I love veggies.
Veggie Tales, Veggie Tales.
I don't know why I'm trying to read. This is in Dutch. I don't know.
Those are good. Okay, 3 for 3.
Stay
I'm
on
here
my
for
side,
it. Wait a minute.
Hmm?
Okay, that's all right.
too. Right there.
Next, your turn. Y'all, this is what it is. Real spongy. I don't know if I like that.
Peachtenberg.
Okay. I got the berg. I was gonna say berg too, so we're thinking the same there.
This looks like a fruitcake. I don't know if I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know about
how I
this,
feel
y'all.
about this.
It's real spongy, like texture. Oh, it's a piece of bread. Y'all know I like bread. Who's bread? Straight up. Okay. It's bread. I'm trying to wait on you. It just is. It's plain bread.
No.
Ain't got no seasoning.
No, it's not plain bread. Drink some water. Now you're gonna miss all this seasoning. There's a whole
Why
lot
you
of
to drink
something.
water? You scaring me. Something in here?
There's a whole lot of something. I don't know if this is cinnamon. I don't know what this is. You can't taste that.
I tasted, but I guess I wanted like a Hawaiian roll or something because I haven't
Lord
had no
Jesus,
bread.
don't look nothing like Hawaiian roll.
Who got the best rolls, y'all? Hawaiian rolls, or is it Texas Roadhouse? Comment below. That's a good debate.
No, it's not.
Rolls are. I don't know why I put that in my
What
mouth.
restaurant you getting Hawaiian rolls at?
Walmart. You know some people.
Walmart's a restaurant? I said what restaurant? She don't listen, y'all. She don't listen. She don't listen.
I didn't hear that part, but comment below. Team Texas Roadhouse with the cinnamon and butter. Okay, what's the next one? I don't want to hear that.
All right, so we got some more chips. Wonkles? Wokels? I don't know. But it's paprika flavored. Paprika? Paprika, how you say it? How y'all say it? Paprika? Paprika? How do
I
you
say
say it?
paprika, but you know I say everything.
Paprika? We just... Paprika?
Paprika.
Okay. All right.
Y'all know I make up words.
It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, shoot.
And look, you talking about me dropping stuff last video. Okay, swirlies. That's cute. Cheers. I don't want it.
It's okay. Nothing special.
I don't want it. You can keep that over there. Next. I don't like it.
I don't even know what this is. I don't know. This is hard.
It's a candy cigar looking type stick.
It doesn't have anything. Oh, well. I have no clue what that
We
says.
don't know.
Let me see. What's that say? One of y'all comment.
I can't see that.
Let me figure out what this says. Tell me what that says. And if any of y'all from the Netherlands or know somebody from the Netherlands, y'all help us out. Let us know how to say this stuff. And give us some history or something. And tell me what the heck this is, because I don't know.
And we don't know.
We're gonna taste it.
We can find out later. I sniff everything.
How do you just bite it? It just...
Is it tear off? Oh, maybe it's like, just bite it.
No, that sounds like a setup. You bite it.
He gonna set me up. You ain't right. You ain't right.
Hold on.
How do you eat it?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like not a pretzel. Pretzel?
This ain't like no pretzel. I don't know where she's getting this stuff from. This is not like a
I'm
pretzel.
not eating this. I'm not eating this. How are you supposed to?
Oh, that's real cinnamon. That's real cinnamon. What was that?
Sorry.
Lord Jesus.
I was trying to get the taste. I
Oh.
can't even bite it.
Oh. I kind of like it.
Take it. All yours.
Put it on your napkin.
Merry Christmas. Happy birthday.
Okay, it's cinnamon.
It's too much cinnamon.
I don't really know what this is inside, but it's just a coating of cinnamon.
Trash. That's what's in there.
She got those basic taste buds. I don't even know why. Okay.
Shout out to the Gallon Waters. We in here. Okay, next. I'm over that. That just made me upset. Yeah.
And some more chips.
Bolognese.
Yeah, go ahead and say that. Say that.
Bolognese. Bolognese. Say it with confidence, then you know it's right. Bolognese. Bolognese. Oh wow. You want to smell it first? Don't break your tradition. Grab a chip.
Oh, my bad.
Why you get it small? The first ones were so good, and now it's going downhill.
I mean, it's just a chip.
I don't like it. I'm sad.
It's a chip.
I don't like it. Okay, next. Keep it over there. Yeah, I'm over it. Netherlands, I'm not coming. I lied. Okay.
I'm gonna tell you this right here.
He's real excited.
They can't see that. Windmill cookie. She's not gonna like it.
Oh, that stopped the whole video, don't it? Oh, okay. Y'all, the low battery came up. We gotta hurry up.
You don't have to put our business out there.
But I just paused, so I gotta explain.
Just say we had to go somewhere. She had a boo-boo.
Let's see what I go through. See what I go through. Okay, windmill cookie. I can read this and pronounce it.
Yeah, I've had these back in Germany. These are amazing. Amazing.
It's a little broken up, so let's see what we can
These
do.
ones with the almonds in it too. Nah, but it's cool.
Here, I'll give you the bigger piece since you're a fan. You can wait. This was
Mm-hmm.
I should take a bigger piece. That's good.
Mm-hmm.
You like. Okay. We have 3 more things left. I'm talking my mouth full. Introduce the next one, please. Thanks while I eat this.
I don't know what this is. Again, none of this is in English. Focus. I know y'all can't read that. I'm sorry. I can't get it to focus.
Let me do it. I bet I can get it to focus.
Do it. She thinks she better at everything. She thinks she can do everything.
Okay.
Why don't you be the exact same?
I'm a woman. I could do anything.
Y'all look the exact same.
Anyways.
She's a woman, y'all. Fellas.
Don't do that.
Y'all know what I'm dealing with.
Don't do that. I'm gonna say hop jess. It's HOPJES. Hop jess. I'm making up stuff, but I don't care. Okay, you unravel it. Okay, it looks caramel.
I think it's coffee.
Oh.
KOFFIE. I think that says coffee.
Okay, this is coffee. Y'all don't like coffee. Pass.
That's for real coffee.
Pass.
I don't know, it's a hard can. I shouldn't have bit it.
You can have all those. You like it?
Oh, there's some English. Coffee candies. Contains milk.
All yours, sir. Next. I'm excited about these. Fruits.
Starburst.
It's not Starburst. It's Fruitella.
Starburst.
Does it say Starburst? Nowhere near.
Translate that.
Fruitella.
That is not translated.
What do you mean translate that?
It translates to Starburst.
Okay, whatever. If it don't taste like Starburst, y'all gonna laugh. What flavor you want? We have the, looks like a lime, grape.
Guarantee it's green apple.
Okay, green apple, whatever, shoot. Okay, yeah, green apple. A pink, I don't know what this is. Strawberry, hopefully, grape. And I don't know what this color, lemon maybe, I don't know. I'm getting the pink because that's my favorite color.
See, you gotta be adventurous. You trying stuff from a whole nother country. I'm gonna try this.
This is
one.
adventurous enough, honey.
I don't know what this is, but I don't. I'm gonna try that. I don't know what that is, but.
Okay, come on. Girls are better because we're quicker. Ain't no Starburst.
How many of y'all had high chews?
Yeah, it has a high chew taste. That's exactly right. We can share those. Okay. Last but not least,
I'm done.
and no,
No, I don't want this.
I don't know what this is, y'all. It looks very deathly. Black licorice, possibly. Neither one of us mess with that. We don't do black licorice, but we're gonna see. Take a second to get this out of my mouth. You swallowed it?
Yeah, all you gotta do is chew and swallow.
He's so good. Good. I'm not swallowing that, y'all. All right.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry.
Was that rude? That was nasty?
I mean, live your life. Live your
Gonna
life.
be me, you know?
Live your life.
Okay. You wanna smell it? It might. Oh, yeah. I think this is.
I don't want to.
Well, you got to. So you got your water right there. You're ready.
This water's not gonna help this.
It is. Water.
Listen to this, y'all. Listen. This is.
But you ate that cinnamon stick. What's the difference? That was hard
Cinnamon
too.
and black licorice. I guarantee you,
Well,
this
let's
is
get it
black
out the way. You're
licorice.
prolonging it. Come on.
Hold on. All right.
1, 2, 3. Nope. I go put it in my mouth. I took a lick. Oh, he's so gutter. Get it, baby. Get it. You like it, don't you?
Hell no.
You chewing it like you. Pretty.
Oh my God.
Okay, we're gonna put that back in there. He almost died. I just took a lick and knew. You too adventurous. This is why. Well, Netherlands. You started off great. What we had, like maybe 4 we liked out of the 12. But yeah, I'm not going to Netherlands a lot.
She like 4. I like 7 of them.
Oh, okay, that's true. He liked more than I did. This is definitely my favorite. These chips that we cannot pronounce. Favorite.
Just cause I grew up eating these, it's my favorite.
Took him back to his good old days.
About to call my mama when we finish this.
You should. Okay, guys, that's it. KaylaMar is out. We will see y'all next video.
I say,